How to change lighting or brightness of iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Once inside the app, tap anywhere on the screen to set the focus. A yellow box will appear, indicating the focus point. For more precise control, tap at the top of the screen to reveal the camera's settings toolbar. From the toolbar, tap the exposure icon, represented by a plus and minus sign. Use the slider that appears to fine-tune the exposure value for your shot. This locks both the auto exposure and autofocus for your shot. This way, you get more control over your experience with the camera and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change lighting or brightness on an iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.